Hello, my name is Chef Chris Walton with Wellbuilt. Welcome to the wonderful world of the Mary Chef E2S Speed Cook Oven. Today I will be showing you a family favorite during the holidays, or quite frankly, any time of the year. Roasted asparagus with a little Italian twist. Like the Mary Chef, asparagus is easy and cooks up very fast. Here are the ingredients for our asparagus today. We have, of course, the main ingredient, asparagus. We're going to place in our bowl, along with our grape tomatoes. With all this vegetable, we have to season it up a little bit. So we have olive oil, pine nuts, and some great fresh garlic. And we're going to add a little pinch of salt and pepper there. We're going to place these ingredients, toss them first, of course, in our bowl. And we're going to place them on our Mary Chef Teflon basket. All the goodness is there. We're going to come over to our Mary Chef oven, select our recipe after we place our vegetables in the oven. Going to close our door. Asparagus in 55 seconds. Wow, that was really fast. 55 seconds, we have our perfectly roasted Italian asparagus. At this time, we're going to take it, place it on your favorite dish for the holidays. It's really hot, steamy, fresh. And we'll place our few remaining roasted tomatoes here. And last, we're going to garnish, put our finishing touch. We have our fresh lemon juice. Gotta have the Parmesan cheese. Fresh lemon zest for a little added color and contrast. And with that, we're gonna place our thyme for a little garnish. And here you have it. Beautifully, perfectly roasted and very delicious asparagus. I hope you and your family will enjoy this recipe for the holidays.